Okay, the first step in the process is taking off the carburetors. Loosened off all the fuel lines. And this hose here, this vent hose. Take that off. Take this off. Take the fuel line off. Got the carburetors undone. Just have to take off the cables, and then the carburetors come off. And now to remove the old carburetors. Put them down there next to another set of old carburetors. Now, next step would be take off this cover. With the cover removed, you can see the exhaust and the intake manifold. And there's the new intake manifold that's getting ready to go on. Now that I've got the exhaust manifold out of the way, we're going to clean off the old exhaust gasket there and install the new one and start the reassembly. The old gasket is actually coming off fairly easily and more or less in one piece. Well, okay, two pieces, but it's off. Now I just have to clean up the mess in behind it and make it all nice. Oddly, getting the exhaust manifold back into place and getting the two end bolts in was the hardest part of the job so far. Trying to hold that in the exact right spot to tighten those bolts. It's getting there. It's coming together a little bit at a time. Intake manifold is now on. And now the new carburetor is on and hooked up. Just got to get it running. Have to adjust the idle, but it's running good.